Hey guys, welcome to another product overview video here with Jackson Systems. I am with Griffin and we're talking about the Nest Cam IQ, Nest Cam, I can't remember what it's called. What is this again?
So this is the Nest Cam Indoor IQ.
Okay.
First thing I like to talk about is just how easy the installation is on these cameras. So if there's some place you just want to set this, like a table, we literally installed this in the 10 seconds here before the video. So it does plug into your standard wall outlet.
Yeah.
You're going to scan this QR code here on the bottom through the Nest app.
Okay.
And you're going to be good to go. The Nest app's going to help it connect to Wi-Fi.
So all I have to do is download the app from like Google Play or from the Apple iTunes store?
Yeah, so you get the Nest app if you don't already have it. Up there in the settings, there's going to be an Add a Product section.
Okay. You're
going to press Add a Product, and it's going to ask you to scan that QR code. So it's really as easy as that. You scan that QR code on the bottom of the camera, and you're going to start seeing that live video feed. That's when you can come in and adjust the camera. Real easy to adjust the angle there depending on where you have it mounted, but it's really easy to adjust.
Sure. Okay, well speaking of mounting, so can this be mounted in other orientations like on the ceiling or on the wall?
Yes, there would be the option to mount that camera. It's just a simple mounting plate you see on the bottom there. A mounting plate would attach to the wall, and then you could have that camera mounted, whether it's on a wall, in a ceiling, somewhere around the house where you want to have it mounted.
Okay. So now this is the camera. Now let's talk about quality. Tell me about all of the fancy numbers like frame rates and whatevers.
Yeah, well the big thing is it's recording in a 1080p HD video quality.
Okay.
And you're getting constant live streaming. So a lot of other cameras, they're only going to start showing you live video when it detects motion. The problem with that is a lot of times by the time it detected motion, whatever was happening is already done. So this camera's to constant power, and it's constantly recording. The other thing this does, it's called Super Sight. So the camera can't actually swivel. There's no motor in there once you have it installed.
Yeah.
What it can do is it'll zoom in on someone's face, and it will be able to follow that face throughout the room.
Okay.
A couple other things with this. This is the IQ version of the camera that's separated from the normal indoor camera. It does have the Google Assistant built into that camera.
Really?
So this camera can notify for things like people, motion. You can set it up for sound. Another things you can do is if you don't want this camera recording while you're in the house, you can turn it off so when everyone's away, the camera's going to automatically turn off, or when everyone's home, the camera's automatically going to turn off and not be recording while everyone's there.
Okay. So if you have a Google Assistant of some sort, how does that interact with this camera?
Yeah, so something with the Google Home Hub or the Nest Hub, you can do something like, hey Google, show me the living room camera.
Yeah.
That camera feed's going to pull up on that Home Hub for you. You're going to be able to see what's going on right there.
Okay.
Also, with something like a Chromecast, you have that with your TV. You tell your Google Assistant, hey Google, show me the kitchen on the living room TV. You can see that feed right there on your TV.
That's cool. That's really cool. So guys, if you guys have any questions about this product, feel free to reach out to us at 888-652-9663 or go online to jacksonsystems.com to find out any more specs and all that type of stuff. You can download some cut sheets, whatever you guys need. We look forward to talking with you soon. Have a great day.